Happy morning, children. It's good to see you all again this morning through this video. How are you, children? I know that you all keep rocking always. Children, are you intrigued to know what you are going to learn today? I assure you that it will be interesting as every unit I teach you. Shall we start now? Fine. Class 3, Term 3, Unit 4, Measurements. Before getting into the topic, let us know what is capacity. Does anyone know? Let me tell. The maximum amount that something can contain, that is called capacity. Measurement by non-standard tools. In this topic, I will be telling you some containers which we use to carry water or any liquid. Firstly, a vessel can hold 3 tumblers of water. So the capacity of a vessel is equal to 3 tumblers. Secondly, a water bottle can hold 5 tumblers of water. So the capacity of water bottle is 5 tumblers. Thirdly, a jug can hold 10 tumblers of water. So the capacity of a jug is 10 tumblers. Using this, you will be solving a small exercise. First question. Take the container that holds more water. First one. A water bottle can hold 5 tumblers while a jug can hold 10 tumblers of water. Hence, jug holds more water. Look at the second one. A jug can hold 10 tumblers while a vessel can hold 3 tumblers of water. Hence, jug holds more water. Third one. A water bottle can hold 5 tumblers of water while a vessel can hold 3 tumblers. Hence, water bottle holds more water. Second question. Which among the given container will hold more water? Children, look at this picture. A water bottle can hold 5 tumblers. A jug can hold 10 tumblers, while a vessel can hold 3 tumblers of water. Hence, jug holds more water. Measurement by standard tools. Here, I will tell you the standard units and tools to measure things. Before that, let us listen the discussion between Meena and her mother. Meena, pour 1 tumbler of water into the floor.
Okay, Ma.
The batter is so thick. Did you pour 1 full tumbler of water?
Yes, Ma.
Which tumbler did you use?
Ma, I used the small tumbler.
You have to use a bigger one.
Okay, Ma.
Meena, now bring your 2 tumblers of water to pour in this milk.
Ma, I have brought water in big tumbler.
Meena, now you should have brought water in the smaller tumbler.
Ma, sometimes you ask me to bring water in big tumbler and sometimes small tumbler. I don't know when to bring in big tumbler and when to bring in small tumbler. What shall we do to find a solution for this issue?
We need a standard tool to measure capacities of containers. We also need a standard unit to express capacities of containers. There are some standard tools to measure capacity. You can find them in milk shops, grocery shops, etc. We measure liquids such as water, oil, petrol using these tools. Standard units for measuring capacity of a container is liter. We measure the liquids in bigger containers using liters. We measure the liquids in smaller containers using milliliters. Look at this slide. First question. Complete the table classifying these under the given table. Children, you are able to find a pot, a medicine bottle, an oil can, a water can, a tumbler, a water pot. Now categorize these 6 into 2. That is, containers or vessel which holds less than 1 liter and the vessel which holds more than 1 liter. Less than 1 liter vessel, first one medicine bottle, second one tumbler, third one water pot. More than 1 liter vessel is pot, oil can, water can. Let us discuss few more exercise. Tick the appropriate unit to measure the given liquid. Liquid to be measured in milliliters and liters. Look at the first one. Cough syrup is measured in milliliters. Vinegar is measured in liters. Water in tank is measured in liters. Water you bring to school is in liters. Oil in kitchen is measured in liters. Petrol is measured is also in liters. Children, tick the biggest unit. First one, 500 milliliter, 100 milliliter, 50 milliliter, 75 milliliter. Here, which one is the biggest unit? Yes, 500 milliliter. Second one, 3 liter, 300 milliliter, 30 milliliter, 30 liter. Which one is the biggest unit? Yes, 30 liter. Now, let's circle the smallest unit. First one, 300 milliliter, 350 milliliter, 800 milliliter, 275 milliliter. Here, which one is the smallest unit? Yes, 275 milliliter. Second one, 2500 milliliter, 100 milliliter, 810 milliliter and 175 liter. Which one is the smallest unit? Yes, 100 milliliter. How was the class, children? Was it interesting? Hope you all understood and had fun. I had like to add an ending note as not to waste water. Water is so essential for us to lead life. Okay, children, bye. Let us meet in the next class. Have a nice day ahead.